everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Vel's Life, and today I'm here to share with you another Disney Dooney Bourke unboxing. I am so excited about this because once again I got another great deal. I lose track of time, and I've had it in for a couple of weeks maybe, I'm not real sure, but they ran this special, I think about 4 or 5 days, where every item in their Disney Dooney Bourke on the Shop Disney website was 30% off. Every one of them they had there was 30% off. I was so excited. I could not believe. I have never seen that since I've been collecting. Now, I don't know through the years, but that was the first time for me to see that ever happen. So I'm going to give you a hint of what I purchased. I could only afford to buy one item, but I'm so excited over it. And the hint is to look at the shirt that I am wearing. Now that may give you a hint of which bag that I purchased. So I'm going to take it off, the paper. Oh my goodness. Yes, I got the Minnie Mouse tote. Now I'm going to, maybe I should have done this before, but I just wanted to show you unboxing. Oh my, look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. Well, if I can get it in the camera here. And like I said, this is why I was so excited. Oh my goodness. Now, I would have been a little bit upset if I had received this without, I've watched an unboxing or two of this tote, and I would have been a little upset because they didn't put any packing in it or anything, but it was said that because the tote is so big, it would have taken so much for them to have put all the stuffing in it. So that's why they sent it the way they did. Oh, this is so exciting. Now let me see if I can see what was the date. It'll usually give you the date that you ordered. I'm sorry, I've dropped it. And I ordered it June 29th. I tell you, I've even had it in for a while. This tote was regularly $268, but with the 30% off, I got it for $187.60. Wow, I tell you, what a bargain this was. Let's take a closer look. Oh my goodness, this tote is gorgeous. We start out, look at the castle. And then, here we have Minnie, all looking sassy, drinking either coffee or hot tea, sitting at a bistro, just enjoying the day. Is that not gorgeous? Now the bag itself is made of coated cotton. It has the embossed metal label of Dooney Bourke with leather straps, black leather straps, but it has a little pink on the sides. And the handle drop is 12 inches. And the good thing, what I love about this bag, is that it's the front and the back has the same pattern, the same picture. And then at the bottom, look how pretty that is. Now, they have bags with this print on it. And they just put that at the bottom. And another good thing that I love about this is it does have feet. And I love to have feet on my bags because of the fact, now of course I really don't want to ever put them on a floor, but sometimes you just do what you have to do, and they do wind up on the floor or something. So that's why I do love the feet. Now the dimensions on this bag, it's 11.5 inches high, 13 inches wide, and 5.5 inches deep. So it's a really good size, and it does have the zipper at the top. I do have one tote that does not have the zipper, and it's okay, but my choice is the ones with the zipper. I have one with the zipper, one with not that I have carried, and I do prefer the zipper top. But let's look inside, and here is that beautiful pink that you see at the bottom of my shirt. I just absolutely love how this shirt and this bag matches. Then we have the zipper up here, a zipper pocket, and that's just, of course, where you fill that out and register your purse. Then we have the loose pocket and two loose pockets on the other side as well. Now, pretty much all of Dooney Bourke totes have the same identical inside. And, of course, with your little key holder. So, this is the way this bag looks. And I'm telling you, I absolutely love it. Oh, I can't wait to carry this and wear this shirt at the same time. Now, we're having a family, hopefully if they don't shut Disney down again, hopefully we're going a family vacation. Me and Mike and the 3 kids, we're going to Disney in September. And guess what I will be wearing when I catch the plane? This bag will be with me, this tote, and this shirt will be going, this is what I will have on when I get on that plane. I am so excited. Now I just want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and letting me share this with you. I deeply appreciate each and every one of you. I hope everybody has a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye. And may God bless.